I will explain how to create the stateful widget. What is the purpose of you using the stateful widget? If you create a widget and it receives the event from the user and update the state according to that, then you have to be used stateful widget. Now create a stateful widget. In this example, I will count the number of button click when user press the button and update the number of event count on the screen. You have to create two classes. One is extend with state and other one will be extend with the stateful widget. Let's create the state class first. Count state and it will be extend with state. Now implement the abstract method. Build. In this build method, you will create the UI. Okay. I will in the UI I will use the text widget and button widget. In text, let's create the UI. I will use column widget. Use text widget. Number of button click. And second is the text button. Actually, I will count the number of click of button. Then I now use the count variable here. Initialize with the 0 and print this count here. Okay. On button press, I want to increase this count. So create a method void increment count equal to count plus 1. Okay. Then call this increment method on pressed. In the state class, there is another method set state. When you have call this count equal to count plus 1, the set state, then it will notify to the widget to redraw the screen. Okay. Then I have cut this code from here and paste it here. Okay. Whenever a user click on this text button, it will call this increment, and increment call the set state and increase the count from 1, and that set state will notify the widget and it will redraw this UI again, and you can see updated count here, number of button. Stateful widget class count widget. It will be extended with the stateful widget. Now implement the abstract methods. Create constructor for this widget. Let's write the definition for this create state. In the create state, we will be create the object of the count state here and return it. Okay, the implementation of this stateful widget is completed. Now we will use it our home page and update this child text hello world with this widget. Count widget. Make some alignment for the column children's. Makes alignment. Make this component to center of the screen. Let's start this. Run this application on Android. Let's look in that. You can see that there is a click me button. When I press on it, it updates the count and it refresh the visit, and you can see the count here 7. Now let's look into the iOS. Same, click and update the count. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel.